Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of checking commit histories on GitHub. While exploring GitHub's extensive interface might feel overwhelming at first, this tutorial will break down every step clearly and seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the GitHub website, the premier site for version control and code collaboration. Locate and press the Sign In button on the homepage to access your account. You will be prompted to provide your email address or username, which allows the platform to verify your identity and secure your data. Next, input your password carefully, keeping in mind that these fields are case-sensitive to prevent login errors. Once your credentials are in, click the Sign In button to enter your personal dashboard. Your dashboard serves as a central hub where you can manage your projects, see your contributions, and track various repositories. To view a specific history, first choose a repository from your list. Think of a repository as a digital folder containing all your project's code, documentation, and configuration files. If the repository is like a book, then every commit represents an individual page within it. After opening the desired repository, find and click on the Commits link. This action reveals a chronological log of every modification made to the project since its inception. Each entry in this list provides a summary message, the author's name, and a specific timestamp. This data is vital for monitoring a project's evolution or reverting to earlier versions if a recent update causes errors. Essentially, the commit history acts as a timeline, offering snapshots of the code at various stages. For the best experience, pay attention to commit messages. Well-written summaries explain changes clearly without requiring you to inspect the raw code. This efficiency is helpful when searching for specific features or bug fixes. The true power of GitHub lies in its ability to document a project's entire development path. This record is essential for onboarding new developers and maintaining long-term project clarity. Now you know how to navigate any repository's timeline with ease. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, mastering this skill is crucial for effective collaboration. Thank you for watching. I encourage you to explore different histories to see the stories behind your favorite projects. Happy coding!